Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA for more than a year. I know I have been, but I am back and
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
today's video is going to be a little embarrassing for me, I think.
Nice.
Because I am going to kind of go through all my journals. If you can see, I don't know, like I can't even lift this. So yeah, let's just go through this. I think I'm going to embarrass myself in this. Okay, so this is the first journal I'm picking up. So this is my movies, TV shows and books journal, and I just write down all the movies and shows that I've watched and all the books that I've read. So this journal I started I think in 2019 or 2020 because I literally had free time and I had nothing to do.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I started this journal, and if you see, I was quite creative back then. Yeah, literally I was quite creative. And yeah, so this is my movies, books and TV shows journal. Okay, so this is the next journal which was dated 2020. I don't know what I have done with this. Nothing. Yeah, so this is an empty journal. I think I'll use it sometime. Next journal is this. The condition of this journal is of course not good, and I don't even remember what I wrote in this. Oh yeah, okay. So this is my again I started this in end of 2019 and or the start of 2020. I'm not sure. Just drew like random stuff. I was an artist back then, and some of the things that I drew were very nice, but not everything was nice, of course. So I'll just show you some of the random stuff I drew, which of course is nice. So this is something that I drew. I hope you can see it. So this is what I drew, and yeah, this I was really proud of this. It was quite nice. So yeah, this was that, and even this, and I don't know why I drew this or this.
I don't know.
I'm not sure. So of course I'm not going. And also one of my favorites I'll show. This was the last that I drew, and then nothing. I drew nothing. But yeah. So this was my artist journal. The next is, I have so many journals. I don't know which one to start with. Okay. So this is my next journal. This was again from 2020. This was from 2019, I think, when I first started writing my blog. I don't write it anymore, of course, but this had some of the ideas and some of the things that I had noted down. And yeah, see, blog ideas, I don't want to show you that. But yeah, just some, again, not everything, but just some of the things that I wanted to note down and write in my blog. I don't write my blogs anymore, but yeah, this was my blog journal. Next is this. I remember this again from 2020, and this was this, I don't even remember what this was. Yeah, so this was like my to-do types. No, okay, so the first few pages, I'm not going to show it. So in this journal, the start part was just me, that I had written some pointers which said like I am grateful for, and I had to write 3 things that I was grateful for, and like my daily affirmations, amazing things that happened today. I was quite the journal girly back then. But yeah, and also then I started with my to-do list, but then I started writing it in my phone, and this journal just didn't work.
What?
Okay, so the next journal is, I think, from 2016, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so this was my journal. I made the entire thing, front and back. I made everything, and this was my art journal. Now again, as I said, I was quite an artist back then, but just some of the things that I drew, I don't know why. Again, the condition is very bad of this journal, but I liked keeping this. If you can see, like, I used to make random stuff, like literally the randomest stuff you can think of. And yeah, this was my, I don't know what's the last thing I did. I have no idea what this is, but some of the things have been ruined. I don't know how, but yeah, this was my art journal. Again, so after I finished that journal, I made this new one, and again, this entire thing I made. And yeah, see, art journal too. Oh god, this is so embarrassing. Okay, so this was the first thing that I drew, and yeah, I pretty much finished the entire journal with drawings and stuff. If you remember back in 2016 or 2017, this was like a thing. I don't know, it was a thing, and I was obsessed with it. These were like so famous, like so popular out there, and I wanted to make this. So I just cut like few pieces from a magazine, and I made this. Yeah, it was something. Yeah, so this was my second art journal. The next journal, okay, this is from 2024. Okay, my uncle gave this to me, and I've not used it actually. Yeah, I've not used it, so I'm going to use it. I don't know when. I have quite a few empty journals. Yeah, like even these two are also empty. Like I've not done anything with this or with this. So again, two empty journals. Next is, okay, now this journal is this journal was my personal journal, where of course all these were my personal journals, but this was very personal. This was very personal, and if you see, you can't open this. Like literally, you can't open this. Journal has like these buttons, so you have to press the buttons like according to the password that this book has, which of course only I know. This journal was gifted to me by my mom, and I'm just going to press the password in this, and I'm going to open this, and that's, wow, I think I don't even remember the password. Oh god, this is really locked. I don't know why.
3 days later.
Oh yeah, finally. Okay, it's open. Yeah. God, this is so embarrassing. Literally, peace and positivity. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, so this is completely full. Like I've written so much in this, like so much. And let's see. Okay. Okay. So the first journal entry was back in December 26, 2019. I don't want to show you everything. I don't know. Like, okay. Like if you can see, like 20. This is so bad. Okay, I'm just going to read something. Hi, I'm Archana, and I'm not going to read it. Okay, I'm just going to open like a random page. Oh god, I can't read this, guys. This is so embarrassing. I don't want to read anything. Okay, the next journal entry is from May 1st, 2020. Okay, it has been 5 years since we moved to this new house. I remember when we first came to see the house, it was a beautiful moment. We were so excited to see the house, and when we saw it for the first time, we were very thrilled at how beautiful our house was.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh my god. I think I've embarrassed myself quite enough with this journal. So that goes. The next journal was this. Again, this journal was gifted by my mom on my 21st birthday, if I'm not wrong. And again, in this also I just write random stuff. Oh, I started this in January 2022, and I've not completed. Clearly I've not completed. But okay, let's read the first entry from Jan 4th, 2022 at 9:16 a.m. How is it 2022 already? Oh my god. Yes, that is it, guys. November 2nd, 2023. At 3:05 p.m. I'm not gonna give an excuse. I know I and I know I'm supposed to release your last year, but it was never gonna. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's that with this journal. Yeah, so this is my very newest journal, which has my name in it. I'm so like, it's so beautiful. Again, I've not used it. You can even see like a charm here, which has like a letter A, and I love this journal. I've not written anything in it. It's very new. Like, I've literally done nothing in this journal, so it's quite new. Again, I have 3 new journals. 2 of them I've not even like opened. These are like seal packed types, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these. So yeah, this is that. And again, this is also new. I've not done anything with this journal. I know I have to start something, but that's that. Again, I have like kind of 2 more journals like this, like literally, which is empty, nothing in. So yeah, that's that. And wow, this is something. This was again, I think, back 2016, I think, or 2015, of my first or second year of college. I'm not sure, but yeah, this again was done by me. And let's see. Oh, this was my quotes journal. So I was obsessed with like quotes, and like I was obsessed with it. So clearly I wanted to make a journal for that also. And wow, I was very creative, like very creative. If you can see, I've made so much. I don't know if you can see. I'm not going to show the entire thing, obviously, but yeah. Okay, I'm going to read the first one. But the great thing about this life of our is that you can be someone different to everyone. What does that even mean, guys? I don't know. Okay, not everyone will understand your journey. That's okay. You are here to live your life and not to make everyone understand. Wow, that's something. Yeah, that's really something. Oh, keep your eyes on star and feet on ground. That is so 2015 or 2014, if I'm not wrong. The last thing, if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. Yeah, I was so like a hyped girl. Like, I knew my stuff. Like, yes, Archana, you can do this. So that's it, guys. Those were my journals, and I have embarrassed myself quite a lot. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do subscribe. Please don't write anything. Please don't comment anything. And yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.